Early Wednesday morning, while most of us were sound asleep, a persistent rain coated every surface it touched with a frosty sheen. The sound of raindrops falling on metal, asphalt, and glass was interrupted only by the groan of a windshield wiper and the occasional passing car. The digital glow of bank clocks told of the falling air temperature, while a light show painted by street lamps and traffic signals played out on a motorist's windshield. With the light of dawn, the rhythm of nature's subtle percussion was quickly overwhelmed by the cacophony of a population clearing away what the night's storm had left in its path.